Okay, so you're here on this video because you're tired of the annoying Character.AI NSFW filter ruining your spicy roleplay with your chatbot. You want to take things to the next level and we are going to help you bypass it. But before getting into it, if this video helps you, please consider subscribing because we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. Okay, so when you're trying to bypass the filter, you need to know one important thing about the bot. It doesn't filter out dangerous, gross, or other kinds of weird roleplay related content. Only sexual content is blocked, which gives us a loophole. If we can make the bot think that we're having a different type of conversation, a conversation that may seem like a normal, non-sexual roleplay but has all the ingredients of a spicy one. Let me give you an example. Create a scenario with the bot where you are a person with a fractured arm that needs to take a shower. The bot is your close friend that's been asked for help. I'm not gonna go further than that, but I think you can assume what could happen next if you play your cards right. For the bot, it's just a good friend trying to help out his homie. For you, it's a completely different situation. So your first step when bypassing the filter should be to confuse the AI and make it feel like they're engaging in a regular conversation. For the second part, it's very important to keep a check on your words. Absolutely avoid any kinds of sexual words that may trigger the filter. Instead, go for subtle words that could have that double meaning. For example, the body part that you use to sit on your chair can be called something like my behind or my back toe if you're feeling a little extra. This way, the bot will not be suspicious and play along with whatever you say. Here's a list of words that one Redditor suggested that can be helpful when trying to bypass the filter. There's a TikTok video with a lot more code words that you can try. The link for it is in the description. Being sad and helpless and putting the bot in a dominant position can also be a useful tactic. In the end, it's all about being as indirect as possible when it comes to dropping hints. This may take time and creativity to build up to that level, but when the filter breaks, it's definitely worth the effort. So good luck trying to bypass the filter. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.